Hello, everybody. So, in today's episode, we are going to create or add this countdown timer section to your store. It is for any theme possible to do, um, and yeah, in few simple steps, you can have that exact countdown timer. It's very customizable again for any brand, for any styles. And yeah, I'm going to show you what you will have in the end when you add this section to your store. You can show or hide any of these fields. This is up to you. Then you can add here the subtext and change it as you want. Also the heading can change as you want. You can add a button if you link it to another page. For example, let's link this to whatever product and change the label of the button. We can simply do here by adding a new label. Then when the customizer is saved, you also see here the countdown, and here you have the format for the countdown timer. You see here you have to write here December, then the 17th, 2025 or 2026, whatever date in the future. And you have here the hourly time. This is also possible with the meta field when you have different products who need different countdown timers. Then this is basically possible. You can have this dynamic. Can change these labels, timer labels, in any language you want. For example, if you want this in German, simply write Tag, and then you have it. And then you can show the labels under the number or not. This is up to you. Sometimes it's a refresh. This is the JavaScript. Yeah, then let's move on to the next one. Is the coloring. We have here background color. This we can change as you wish. For example, black or brown. If this is your theme color, or red or whatever. I think, for example, for Black Friday, we can do this and then have here like a yellow tone. For example, this is what you like. As you can see, you can change any color. Yeah. Then you can increase in terms of typography, you can increase the size, the font size. For example, now the subheading is more. Then you can add here a little bit bolder or lighter. Then you can make the uppercase or normal. Then heading size we have here for mobile, desktop and mobile. We can simply change here. Then the heading weight, we can do regular too, medium, sub-medium, bold, extra bold, whatever. Also make it uppercase or not. Then the number size we can increase or decrease, also for mobile. And we can make it medium or bold. Uppercase would be here the case. Then we have here the label size. Increase the label size for font and mobile. So then we have also the font weight, if you want that, and make it uppercase or lowercase. That would be that. Then we have here text alignment for our desktop. You can center it or not. Have it right directly next to it or left. We have here the button. For this we need to save it. See here the button right now. So now let's first change it to not transparent so we can see it better. And now we can increase the size of the button. We can change the font weight of the text. Can make it uppercase or lowercase. On hover we can change it. The button text color we can adjust. For example, if we want it red, also on hover, blue. This is just to show you what is the button border. And then we can increase the width of the button. If we want to see how the width is 8 or 9, this is maximus 4. Then border radius, the button, then the padding. If we want it like this, yeah. It's just, I think you have all types of possibilities. This I'm going to show you. Then the container padding. So if it's the space inside, and like this, margin top, if we want to separate to the top, bottom, gap between timer and block. Here, container bordered. Let's make this. This is when we have here. First, we need to add here some thickness, and then you have here the border color. And of course, if you want to make this a little round, you can do this as well. Yeah, you have tons of possibility so that this section is fully brand equivalent, I would say. Sorry for my English, but yeah, you can do it as you want, so it fits exactly your brand. And let me show you how to do it. So you go here simply to your theme, go to your theme, click the three dots, go to the theme editor. Then wait a moment. Go to your sections, click inside, add a new file, call it count down timer dot liquid. Hit the enter button. It's going to open directly. Go to the link in the description where it says code. Copy all the code you see in this section. So until end schema, copy it, then go back and add the code, save it, and that's basically all the magic you need. Now you can go here and search for countdown timer, and here you have it. Hit save and it starts. Yeah, for any further information, I am a Shopify developer working with all types of stores, all types of niches. I'm specialized in custom theme development, and please be my guest to write me there or contact me directly through my email. Yeah, happy to work with you.